Welcome back, guys. Today we are at the end of our first week of Inktober. It's the 7th day and the prompt is fancy. For some reason I really wanted to draw a lady pigeon today. First I thought of dressing her up with a set of pearls or something. But then I figured that Mother Nature does fancier things than this, so I found this little guy. Apparently there is a type of pigeon that has curly feathers. I loved it the second I saw it, and I knew that this was my star for today's drawing session. I will let you watch the rest of the video now, and I'll see you tomorrow for a new day and a new drawing. Until then, don't forget to stay artsy. Bye guys!
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful deal.